Ever been locked out? That moment when you realize you can't log into something important? Now, imagine that something is your Paysafe account, with funds you rely on. What actually happens if you lose access, and more importantly, how do you get it back? That sinking feeling can be real, but let's break down the reality of what happens when you find yourself unable to log into your Paysafe account, whether it's because you forgot your password, your account was locked, or you suspect it's been compromised. The initial impact. The immediate consequence of losing access is simple: you can't use your funds or manage your account. You can't make new purchases, check your balance, or transfer money. If you have any ongoing subscriptions or services linked to the account, those could fail, causing potential interruptions. But here's the critical part: your money doesn't just disappear. Paysafe is a regulated financial service. They have robust security protocols to protect your funds. The access issue is almost always a temporary security measure or a technical hurdle, not a total loss of your money. Troubleshooting your way back. So, what should be your first steps? They depend on the specific reason for the lockout. 1. The forgotten password. This is the easiest fix. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Paysafe will guide you through a simple process, usually involving entering your email address and answering a security question or receiving a code via email or SMS. This quickly restores your access. 2. The locked account. If you try to log in too many times with the wrong details, Paysafe's security system will lock your account to prevent unauthorized access. In this case, you usually need to wait a short period, or more effectively, you must contact Paysafe customer support directly. They'll ask a few verification questions to prove you are the rightful owner before unlocking it. Do not keep trying to guess the password, as that can prolong the lockout period. 3. Suspicion of a compromise. If you didn't lose access yourself, but suspect someone else has taken over your account, you need to act fast. Immediately contact Paysafe support. They have specialized teams trained to handle fraud and security incidents. They will temporarily freeze the account to protect your remaining funds and begin an investigation. This process can take a bit longer, but it's essential to secure your money. The golden rule: customer support. The single most important takeaway is this: don't panic and don't try to solve complex issues alone. Paysafe provides multiple channels for support: a help center, live chat, and a dedicated phone number. If the basic self-service options fail, contacting support is the fastest, safest way to regain control. Make sure you have verification documents ready, like your ID or other details they might request, to speed up the process. Losing access to your Paysafe account can be stressful, but with a clear plan of action, using the Forgot Password feature, waiting out a temporary lock, or immediately contacting support for a suspected compromise, you can quickly get back to managing your funds securely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.